The content on this channel has been created for adults. If you're not at least 13 years of age or older, then please do not watch this content. Sorry, dude. Come back when you're 13.
Yeah, baby girl. You know what I want to do. Come on. Yeah, baby girl.
What's up, beautiful family from across the universe? Welcome back to Off Tap Life. I am here to entertain you for the next lifetime. So fasten your seatbelts. And remember to keep all of your hands inside of the ride. Hot in here? It's just me. Must just be me. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know. Oh wait, scene. That's my safety net. Whenever I say something I know I just really don't know what happened there, I scene and just be like acting. It's showtime. Anywho, we're back with Delightful Donna. Thank you, Delightful Donna. How are you today, Delightful Donna? I hope you're doing well, Delightful Donna. I am always excited to be chilling with all of you. And Delightful Donna, thank you for the request. Now, family, we got a special one right here. This is Jefferson Airplane. Jefferson Airplane. Y'all know Jefferson Airplane? Jefferson Airplane. Yo, what's up, Jefferson Airplane? Jefferson Airplane. White Rabbit. Oh, here we go. I heard somebody, it's racial. Why is it gonna be a white rabbit? It's not racial, dude. That's the name of the song. It's like someone taking that friend. Everyone's got that one friend where everything is racial, you know? What's that white stuff on the burger? It's actually their special white sauce. White sauce? White sauce? Why is it gonna be white sauce? Oh, is it racial? And then the other friend I got. Do you want your coffee black? Why is it gotta be black? Why can't I have it white? Well, you can. You can get it black or white.
What about yellow? Can we get the...
It's always that one friend where everything, you can't win. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you that not everything is racial. Okay? I don't like white sauce personally. It's not because it's white sauce, just because it doesn't taste good. As I don't like black coffee. Not because it's black coffee, I just don't like coffee at all. It doesn't matter if it was black, white, orange, green, or purple. I just don't like coffee. Whew, tough crowd. Tough crowd. Yeah. Now you know why I don't do stand-up comedy crickets? Yeah, it's crickets. So we're just going to go ahead and get into this reaction question because I don't even know what's going on. I have no idea. Delightful Donna, thank you for the reaction request. Jefferson Airplane.
One pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And maybe you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall. Smoking caterpillar has given you a call. Poor Alice, when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just have some kind of mushroom,
Jefferson Airplane. We gotta run that back, guys. Can we do that again? I'll do that again. It's a vibe. That's crazy. Woo! Y'all like that?
One pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And maybe you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall. Smoking caterpillar has given you a
like that, man. That's really cool, man. I'm tempted to play it again, but I know we got other songs to get through. And, because I could just keep this going for like 8 times, 10, 20, 100 times, maybe 120 more times. I don't know. But I was say, man, this song right here, one of the things I really like about it most is just the simplistically, delightfulness of it all. You know what I mean? Like, it's not overly complicated. It doesn't feel too busy. It doesn't feel like too much is going on. Even with the guitars and everything, it's just got this really simplistic and cool vibe to it from the moment when that bass line first starts in the beginning. Ooh, you ever hear that bass line again? Go ahead, run it back for me. I had to, because that's how it made me feel. I wanted to hear that bass line again at the very beginning. And then from there, the rest is just like ABC. Once you start the alphabet, you got to get down to Z. You know what I mean? You got to see what else they're cooking with. And right here, man, they freaking cooking with the white rabbit, I guess. Have you ever had rabbit, by the way? You know rabbit tastes like chicken? Apparently. It's like a mixture. It's like a chicken, fishy chicken or something tastes, apparently, allegedly. I don't know. Everything that you eat, you ever notice it tastes like chicken, apparently? Doesn't matter what it is, apparently. If you never had it before or heard of it, it's chicken, basically. Okay, so if you go and you see freaking, some strange animal, it's a chicken in disguise. It has to be. Every time you hear them talking, "Oh yeah, I had that crocodile. It tastes like chicken. It's a chicken. Everything they say tastes like chicken. I don't know. Oh what? Oh, you mean dinosaur? Oh, it tastes like chicken. Yeah, Jack. Put a little secret sauce on there. You got McChicken. The McDonald's run out of regular chicken. Maybe they just go down there and get a rabbit. It's gonna taste just like chicken. Same thing. But one thing I was saying, man, and they actually said in this song, man, something about mushrooms. You get the mushrooms, and I tell you, the magic mushroom scenario is kind of it feels like they made the song while on the magic mushroom, hoping that you're on the magic mushroom too, because it's like implying something. There's like a secret message. Like, look, dude, when you listen to a song, you need to be very relaxed. Just chill out. We're chilled out. We were chilled out when we made it. You should be chilled out when you hear it. Just chill. Take a chill pill. Take just any chill pill. It doesn't matter. It's still gonna taste like chicken. Oh, somebody has swallowed the funny pill today. Only problem is they didn't take enough of them because they have not been funny all day. Anyways, I like this song, Jefferson Airplane. I like their vibe. Definitely interested to seeing what other animals they can sing about. Rabbits, chimpanzees, ostriches, peacocks, whatever. I'm all in. I like it. I like the vibe. It was a lot of fun. It was one of those, again, just really lackadaisically chilled out freaking type of, dude, where'd you park your car? I don't know, dude, but I feel good. Yeah, I'm so relaxed. That's what it's like. Just chill out. In other words, relax. Have this. What's she right here? There was a comment. There was a little shout out. Well, it was about expanding your mind after all. I knew it. I told you. What if you ever wanted to expand your mind, what do you gotta do? You need to chill the F out. Firstly, chill out. Relax. Take a load off. Freaking find a magic mushroom. Freaking just chill. Yeah. I can see it now. 1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2 is 4. 4 + 4 is 8. 8 + 8 is 16. Expand expanded mind. The meaning of life is there's no meaning. I like it. I like it. And it felt that. I was trying to explain it in my own special way. It's basically chilling, relax. Just, you gotta do that. It's just like, yeah, dude. That's how you expand your mind. You gotta stop thinking so much. Just relax and chill out. Take a load off. I like the song. It felt that way. I told you. It felt like that. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing? I'm doing good. You got any more of those magic mushrooms? They're not really magical. You do realize these are the same mushrooms I put on the pepperoni pizza every week when I make it. It is? Yeah, just go down to the supermarket, $4.95. They even come pre-sliced for you. So they're not magical? Well, it depends. They're magical in the sense that they help enhance the taste of the pepperoni. It makes you feel good. But in the tummy. I have no idea. I like mushrooms. Like, pizza ones. But I haven't had mushrooms in a long time because ever since the pandemic, I'm a little bit funny about mushrooms. You know what I mean? Anything that potentially could, be a little bit polluted, I don't want. What? Nope. Not taking chances. No mushrooms, no corn. Unless it's in a can. And then I'm going to wash the can before I even open it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I have no idea where we just went. I think the songs is taking me on this magic freaking mushroom journey. I don't know. I'm having a hippy dippy trippy time, as Delightful Donna said earlier. I don't know. Some days you ever have those days where you're just so freaking, you know what I mean? You're like, woo, woo, and there's no particular reason why. You're just maybe too relaxed. Maybe you're just too chilled out. Like you're just like. Or maybe it is because I'm actually getting sleep and my brain is like, you've been sleeping lately. It's amazing. And I don't know how to function with sleep. Like, it's just, my body's like, I don't know what to do with all this extra energy and stuff we have now. I don't even know what to say. I don't know how to react. Our body feels weird and different because this whole sleep thing, I don't know how to operate on actual sleep. Anyways, guys, I love you. I appreciate you as always. Remember, Lucha One to the fullest and keep it off tap. Thank you, Delightful Donna, for the awesome request. I enjoyed it. I'm tempted to play it one more time, but I'm not going to. I'm going to resist the urge because, we got other stuff we got to get done. Okay, all right, peace.